So first thing we're going to do is make a magic ring. So lay the yarn over your fingers, wrap it round, twist, make a cross, go under the first one, over the second one, pull, twist, yarn over, pull through. That is your magic ring. Now what we're going to do is 8 single crochets into the ring. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pull your ring tight. What we're going to do now is slip stitch into the first stitch, and then we're going to pull it through and we're going to yarn, and we're going to fasten off. Right, so that's the middle of our flower, and what we're going to do now is we're going to attach the next yarn. So I've chosen a pale pink. We are going to just loop it over like this, put it on the hook, pull it through, then we're going to do a chain. I'm just trying to get this bit over here so that I can crochet over. So make a chain, and then we're going to do a single crochet into that same stitch that we've just done a chain in, and then we're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then what we're going to do is we are going to do a half double crochet. So we go into this one, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to single crochet back into the next space on the round, and then we're going to do a chain 5 again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're going to do 4 half doubles again. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's a bit fiddly this, where it's so small. And then we're going to, you've got it, we're going to do another single into the next stitch on the round. So that's that one. Meanwhile, we're crocheting over these ends so that we don't have to sew them in, basically. Then we're going to chain 5 again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's move that out of the way. And we're going to do 4 half doubles going down the chain. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we are going to do a single crochet into the next stitch on the round, and we're going to chain 5 again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, and then we're going to do 4 half doubles. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we are going to single crochet in the next one on the round, which is this one, and then we're going to chain 5 again. So 1, 2, 3, hate it when my yarn does that, 4, 5, then we've got 4 half doubles, sorry. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then we're going to single crochet in the next one on the round. So that's that one, and then we're going to chain 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we're going to half double, do 4 half doubles, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to do a single crochet on the round again. Come on, don't be a sausage. And we're going to do 5 chains again and 4 half doubles, and a single crochet on the round again. And we're going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to do 4 half doubles again. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then we're going to single crochet into the round again, and then we are going to do one more chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 more half doubles, so 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then what we're going to do is slip stitch into this first single. Get out of the way, like that, and then we're going to snip it and pull it through to fasten off, and then we just need to work on all these ends that we've got. Isn't it so pretty? Right, now these ones we've crocheted over, so actually we can just cut off. I mean, you could go back the other way if you wanted to, use that one as an anchor, but I'm quite happy. Then I'm just going to tighten that and sew this end in. You can go over there now, and so can you, because I've finished with you. And we're just going to sew this end in using these stitches. Like that. And then we'll go back the other way. Come on. And we'll snip that one off. And then we've just got this one. And this one, I am going to go through these stitches at the bottom. Like that. And then I'm going to go back the other way. Like that. Then we'll give it a nice little snip. And there is your beautiful daisy all finished.